Welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing an unboxing, and this time the unboxing is again for Rumbleslam, but it's a small one. These are event cards. Let's have a look what they do. Okay, here we are with the event cards, and as you can see we've got Rodney Salvage and Gun on the front, and basically there are 55 cards for your matches. It involves giants, mages, cheating, mayhem and more. It's for use in any casino. And on the back it says, the lights are hot, the seats are packed and the wrestlers are ready to do what they do best. But many Rumbleslam match has been thrown off the rails by the crowd, the ref, the managers, bribes, cheating, or all of the above. Inject a dose of mayhem into your matches with 55 event cards, plus one rules card. Any team may choose to purchase a random event which could turn the match in their favour or bite your wrestlers in their unmentionables. From ring tampering to mid-match contract and renegotiations, there's always something strange waiting to happen in a Rumbleslam arena. Let's have a look. Just open up, and here we are. Here are the cards, and I do apologise for my breathing today. It's weather's changed again, and it's triggering an unpleasant side effect in my respiratory system, as it usually does. It's very warm and bright today. Well, in fact, it's very warm. I wouldn't say bright. It is slightly overcast, but oh well, never mind. Okay, so here are the rules, and this is the Rumbleslam event card rules. At the start of the game, draw your purchased event cards from the deck face down and place them face down by your character profile cards. At the start of each round, before rolling for initiative, you may choose to flip one of your event cards immediately. Follow the instructions on the card. Okay. So, here we are. What do we have? A rowdy giant. All wrestlers in the ring must make a dex roll. If they roll less than their weight, they gain a knockdown counter. Now, I'm not quite sure how these work because there doesn't seem to be a price on them. What did it say on the... I think that's it. 50k entrance fees, that is. I don't know, but I'm not going to go through them all like that. I'm just going to show a few of the kind of things you can get. I'm going to pause in between some of them so you can have a look at what they are. They're all different, but as I say, when I hold them, clearly you can pause and have a read. So this is going to be fun when we start. But as I say, I'm not sure exactly what the price is for these. I'm assuming they'll be 50k. I don't know though, because it does say 50k on the box. Weird. And if you can hear that buzzing, that fly is back. I thought I'd got it a few days ago, but obviously there's another one. Yeah, they didn't, so it's another one. Here we go. So there's quite a lot going on in here. As I said, I'm not going to show you them all, but yeah, there's a lot going on. So all we need to do now, now then, there's two sides to this event card rules. We've gone through that side, didn't read through this side. If both you and your opponent agree, you may use the optional event cards in your game of Rumbleslam. When building your team, you may choose to purchase up to 5 event cards. Each event card costs 50k dosh. Shuffle the event card deck and place it face down on the table. So there we are. I was right, it is 50 like it says on the box. I didn't think to turn that card over and look. Oh well, never mind. So that's the event cards deck that we have. I bought this with something else. What did I get this with? Oh, I know what I got it with. The MDF wrestling ring, which I just so happen to have way up over here. Now I've put it together and I've primed it. I don't know whether I'll be able to get a good look at this or not. Bear with me. This is something else. Let's raise the camera a little. Let's see what we can see. Raise the camera. Oops. Stop it falling down and zoom out a little bit. So there we are. Now these things on top, you can see, are ones that go on the turnbuckles. You don't have to put them all on at the same time, but these go on the turnbuckles for when some of your big guy wrestlers, and for this particular demonstration I'm going to use Iron Man. Your big guy wrestlers turn up once again the ring. So that's what they are. Now I didn't show this being unboxed and everything because I wanted to show you all constructed, but I'm hoping you can see there it has the Rumbleslam logo on the side. There's a lot of stars here, there and everywhere. Now I'm going to paint this up in colours to match my chosen casino, which is the Rolling Bones. Now the reason I chose that is because there's undead characters, and there's a character there that's like based on the Undertaker, and a few other ones in there I quite like as well. So that's the reason I picked that one. I'm going to give this a bit of a sand down first of all, just slightly sand it down, not to take the primer off, but it's a bit rough at the moment. So I'll give it a sand down and then I can start painting it. So hopefully I can get this done. I'm not going to paint this on camera because it's too big of a job, but I will take the odd photograph as I'm doing steps and show you like a time lapse show of me painting it. Not time lapse, time lapse, yeah. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I'll move you back over there. That's what I'm going to be doing over the next few days, possibly a week, because we have restrictions again on where we can go and why and how, and so it looks like I may be stopping in for a while, even more so with not having a car. But there we are. Never mind. I'm going on with this again, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now. Stay safe.